Hey, welcome back, drawing fans. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to draw this fun cat character. It's really simple. Then we're going to open a gift or a present, add it to our character. And then we need to add the cat to our Winter Wonderland along with other characters that we're drawing to complete our Winter Wonderland scene. So grab your pencil and paper and let's start drawing. Okay, to draw this cat, it's really simple. We're going to start with number 6. Remember, you don't have to draw perfect, just have fun. So we're going to take this 6, and first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the cat's eyes. Now, I'm a cartoonist, so I'm going to draw these very cartoony eyes right here. And then we're going to draw the cat's nose, and we're just going to draw this little rectangle shape here. Let's add the cat's ears. Right here at the 6, we're going to draw a line that goes down. That creates one ear. And we're going to repeat that same shape again and create our second ear. Let's draw some little lines inside for a detail. And then I want to close this area right here. I'm just going to draw a very small line there. Okay, we have a good start to our cat's face. Now let's go ahead and let's draw the mouth on our character. So I'm just going to draw a line that goes from one side all the way to the other. And then I'm going to draw a little line right here on the nose, down to the mouth, and these little dots on both sides of the nose. That's where the whiskers come out. And let's give this cat a really big smile. So I'm going to draw another line here. And teeth. Look at these crazy cat teeth. The other thing our cat could use, let's add those whiskers. I'm just going to draw a little hint of whisker here and here. And now with our fun cat face, we're ready to start the body. So for my cat's body, I'm going to draw a small neck here. And then a big fun shape like this. Now we can add some arms to our character. I'm just going to draw a line here and a line over here. And then let's add those cartoon fingers on both sides of those arms. Yay! Now we need to draw the cat's legs and feet. So what I'm going to do is I am going to draw a line that goes down and over and another one that goes down and over. That's the start of the feet. Let's draw the top of each foot. And then finish those legs and feet in a line here and here. And let's add a cartoon cat tail. So we're just going to draw a big, that's a hard thing to say, cartoon cat tail. And remember, you can change your character any way you like. I'm adding some stripes to my cat, but you could change the color, the eyes, anything you want. Okay, we have our cat. Now let's open the gift and see what sort of special item our cat's going to get. Okay, so let's open this gift and see what our cat is going to get. A toy mouse. Awesome. So just add a toy mouse somewhere to your cat. It doesn't have to be a mouse. It could be any kind of toy. Maybe your cat has a special toy at home it likes to play with. And there we go, we have our toy mouse. Now it's time to add it to our Winter Wonderland. Okay, so we have our Winter Wonderland scene, and we need to add our cute little cat here. We already have our guinea pig from last time holding a hot plate of spaghetti. Let's go ahead and add our cat somewhere. There we go, and let's see what that looks like. Yeah, added a little animation to that character, and there we go. Okay, drawing fans, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, remember, you can check out those free lessons at Harptooniacs. I have a link in the description below. It's commercial free, membership art site. It's a lot of fun. I know you're gonna love it. And I'll see you in the next video. So
grab your pencil and your paper.
And